ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ತೇಜಸ್ವಿತಾ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ 3 ರಿಂದ 5 ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆಯ ಜೀವನ ಚಕ್ರ 1 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯಾಗುವುದನ್ನು ಹಾಡು, ಕತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.
Caterpillar, caterpillar, are you cat or are you pillar? No, I'm no cat or I'm no pillar, I'm a caterpillar. Caterpillar, caterpillar, can you stand on your feet ever? No, I keep crawling like a baby round and round, my dear. Caterpillar, caterpillar, is your home far from here? No, green is my home and I love to live in nature. Caterpillar, caterpillar, can we ever play together? Yes, I can turn into a butterfly in any color. Hello kids, I'm Savitha. I'm going to read you a book about a very hungry caterpillar. This book is written by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, Bhanuvara Belake, the warm sun came up and pop out of this egg came a tiny and a very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, Somvara, he ate one apple. Crunch. But he was too hungry. On Tuesday, Mangalvara, he ate 2 pears. Crunch. But he was still hungry. On Wednesday, Budhvara, he ate 3 plums. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, Guruvara, he ate 4 strawberries. Yummy. But he was still hungry. On Shukravara, Friday, he ate 5 oranges. But he was still hungry. On Saturday, Shanivara, he ate through 1 piece of cupcake. Crunch. 1 ice cream cone. 1 pig. 1 slice of Swiss cheese. Crunch. 1 slice of salami. Crunch. 1 lollipop. 1 piece of cherry pie. Crunch. 1 sausage. 1 cupcake. And 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. Bhanuvara. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf. Crunch! And after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat, dappa caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. 2 ವಾರ. Then he nibbled a small hole and pushed his way out. And he became a beautiful butterfly. Did you know we can paint with a balloon? I have here one balloon, red paint, green paint, and a white sheet on a keyboard. Dip, dab, twirl. Dip, dab, twirl. Dip, dab, pull. Dip, dab, wave. Dip, dab, wave. Dip, dab, dip, dab, dip, dab, pull. Dip, dab, wave. What shall I make? Idea. Does this look like a caterpillar? Yes. You can also do a ladybird and a butterfly. Did you enjoy the activity?